ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम क्रां क्रीं क्रों सह भौमाय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the Astral Science program. Usually I'll keep on telling every day that our classes, the new class will be beginning from August 1st. So there will be two batches which I am planned. One is in the morning between 10 to 12. Those who have more time in the daytime, they can definitely join that particular course. And there is one more batch which I conduct in the evening between 7 to 9. So this program will be for 2 hours per day, and it will be spanned across 15 days. So in this program I will be teaching you right from basics of astronomy, then basic of astrology, then take you through the house divisions, then the nakshatra divisions, then the pada divisions, then how the planets are placed in the sky, the same way how it is been placed in the horoscope, learn about its characteristics and its effect on us at the Parashara level. Then I will take you through the dasha system, how the dasha is important to us, then the bhukti and the antar bhukti, how it gives us the timeline. Post that I will be starting the Nakshatra Nadi importance, take you through the education level, what kind of education, what kind of progress we can make in education, line suits us predominantly, then take you through the job prospect, what is the bad time, good time, down time, up time. So can business be done? Yes, no, maybe, may not. Completely it gives us the picture. Then it also shows us the finance improvement on each dasha going forward, so that we can plan very well in our life. If the current dasha is very good and the coming dashas are very bad, where we can easily calculate it and say that okay, next dasha is bad. So you can plan your finances by kind of investing in other sectors where it will be safe. So you can also transfer to your known people like your wife or mother and ensure that okay, next dasha is not so great, let me park my earnings and all with somebody, trusted person, so that I can use that in my difficult times. Then it also shows us the marriage and the married life, the timing of marriage, what exactly is going wrong with our marriage based on the timings and based on the requirement, whom to marry, and confusions in life, how will be the married life. All type of confusions come across in the marriage part. It will also show the timing, it will also show the level of the marriage life. So at the childbirth part it shows across, at the health part it shows. So all this will be covered in 15 days with a 30-hour program. Through this you will come to know that what had happened earlier, and you will definitely find out it is clearly matching with the Nakshatra Nadi concept, and you will get a confidence, you will be thrilled. Then post that you will have more confidence that what is showing in my store is going to happen. So let me prepare for it, because the past combinations will be proved right, and the future expectations will also give you a confidence of proving it right. This is how our astrological thing is actually known. People talk about some other combination, that if this guy joins with this guy, or this planet joins with this, this is what is happen. If something problem, see, we all postpone or what we call dissect or research what has happened already. If some big celebrity, some issue happens to him, they'll go and postmortem it. Okay, because of these planets, this guy. There is no one particular person who can previously predict about his future, because first of all there is a data error in most of the celebrities, date error, time error, and no celebrity would he would give his date or month, He would never tell about his year. Even if he gives, he'll never tell about his place of birth. Neither, very importantly, the time. Based on this, many data which is available on the internet will be not so accurate, and people take it as the data and start predicting that I have the correct data, somebody else, and there is also correction which they make, that he is not born born at that time, he is born because this time. A lot of people discuss more about the celebrity, and they keep on discussing, which is not of no use, because for an individual, what should I know if I don't know astrology? What should I know about him through astrology? He is already a celebrity. He is making a lot of money. If there is a bad time, these people crop up and say that because of this planet, Sade Sati, Mangal hai, Shani aaya hai, wo aaya hai, that's why he is in the problem. Always, there is always post-mortem discussion in astrology. But Nakshatra Nadi is a very advanced system where there is no post-mortem. It will always tell in advance what happens. I don't have any time to look for thousands of celebrity and tell what is going to happen and become famous. I am not interested in that. And I will guarantee that my Nakshatra Nadi will definitely tell what will happen to them next. But what is the use? It is only making a name or making a mockery that I am a big celebrated astrologer who predicts about celebrities. Through that people start taking consultation. That is not the right way. That is not the right way. God has given everything to few celebrities, all the celebrities. Even they have a bad marriage, even they have a bad time, even they go down in finances, even they have a wrong investment, even they have pain, even they have disease, everything is there with them. Nothing. Their only difference is their status is quite high, and the normal people's status is low. They also eat the same food what we eat, but they say that it's in a hygienic condition. Who knows how much chemical they are eating, who knows how many stuffed food or processed food they are eating. The normal man might be eating a very healthy food. Who knows that? That's a different story. This celebrity, this money, all this explanation in astrology is waste of time by astrologer. And portraying about big guys, what happens to the PM based on his horoscope, what is going to happen to the nation, that doesn't actually connect at all. It doesn't connect at all. He has been made a guy based on his horoscope that he has got that leadership qualities, and the horoscope is promising leadership in his horoscope, and it has been matched with the party which he has joined, and it has transferred, or transformation has happened to become the head. His horoscope is only an indication that he will be heading, that's it. His heading and his horoscope will never relate to the mass of any nation. This has to be borne in mind. Further, each and every individual has got their own system based on the horoscope what they get. I cannot match. See, one guy who was born at one particular time and one particular place, the same date, same time, somewhere somebody would have born, and that guy has become a celebrity. This guy is not even known to anybody, even in his own village he is not known. Here lot many changes, seconds changes, every second our cuspal changes, every minute the sublot changes, every 2-3 minutes sublot changes. If there is a difference in latitude longitude from one place to other place, there is a lagna movement of degree. Lot of numbers keep on changing. So based on that, the same guy who was born in the same time, same place, in a different area, same time, same place, the longitudinal difference happens. And even the fraction of few seconds will change the cuspal theory, where it gives the life event in our Nakshatra Nadi. So individual life and his life event is more important than somebody talking about how is that Bollywood guy, how is this Tollywood guy, how is this Sandalwood guy, what has made him. These kind of things and all will not take anywhere. People might think this astrology might be telling, but already there is a greatness in their achievement which has happened. So correlating the planets and showing the greatness is not great, because there are only 9 planets to show and 12 house placement. What greatness we can say? We are only correlating. The same placement, the same combination doesn't apply with the other guy who is just a street vendor. This is where the Parashara is going wrong. Somebody's yoga, somebody's placement has made him a celebrity or a politician or a businessman or a IT guy or a big government official. The same placement with some other guy has changed it, because they don't talk 3 things. They don't talk about the Lagna. This is the first house. Because they only talk about where the sun is placed, where Jupiter is placed. But they never talk the same placement from the Lagna, what is the combination which is counted. And they will never talk from where it has to be counted for that person, and they correlate it. And that particular planet might not be running for that celebrity, but still they correlate because of this guy where there is some Gajakesari yoga which is running. That is the reason he has become famous. There are thousands, lakhs of people who has got Gajakesari yoga, but they have not become famous. Never, it can't be in that. There is a down, still we have to go deep and find it out. That planet, in what nakshatra it is, from the Lagna. Then that planet in which sublord it is, from the Lagna. Those two also plays a major role. A guy who is having Jupiter or Sun in 10th house in the same Rashi, thousands of people will have in the same Rashi. If you take an example of 3 people, if they have the same planet, what they explain for a celebrity, for that celebrity the Lagna changes. For a second person who is the ordinary person, his Lagna will also change. The third person who is just a normal, just day-to-day wager, he will also have the same placement. What is the 3 difference? This guy will have a different Lagna, this guy will have a different Lagna, this guy will have a different Lagna. These are the 3 things. Next, let me go to the next level. That particular planet will be in one nakshatra. This guy also will be in the same nakshatra, let us assume. This guy also in the same nakshatra, this guy also in the same nakshatra. That nakshatra lord will not be in the same placement as the celebrity guy, as the medium guy, as the daily wager guy. That nakshatra lord. Again, let us go to the next level, the sublord owner. Even that guy, there will be some placement for the celebrated person. The same sublord placement will be in a different house for the mediocre guy and the daily wager guy. The combination, the house, the planet might be the same, his placement will be different. So each guy's combination differs. There is a consolidated combination which we get, and all the 3 people, though we on the top part we see that he has got Jupiter, he has got Sun in a very good elevated Rashi, but one guy has become a celebrated person, one guy is just a mediocre person, the other guy is just a daily wager where nobody will bother about him, what his life is about. So this is how different is Nakshatra Nadi. So learning this gives you a real insight. How strong is my life financially? How strong is my life health wise? In what area I have the strength? What area is completely weak, where I should not bother actually, because that is all predestined? In what area I have threat, where I should not venture into? In what area I have opportunities, where I can shift into? This is what is our Nakshatra Nadi. So August 1st, it will be in English medium. I would coach you completely on the astral science. So I would suggest people who want to learn this, understand this subject, believe this subject. After coming here, learning, you will forget about believing, you will start trusting this subject. Okay, let us take some calls. A lot of calls are coming. I am getting the back and say. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
I am calling from Cochin in Kerala.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Actually, I would like to know regarding my husband's horoscope. I'll give the date of birth.
Yeah, tell me.
3/11/1954.
3
3/11 November
1954.
54.
Okay. Time?
4:18 p.m.
4:18 p.m. Place of birth?
PM. Date. Place of birth is Ernakulam only. Cochin.
Okay. Yeah, what is the question?
Regarding his health and finance, I would like to know the
At the age of 66, you want to know the finance, huh?
finance. No, actually health.
Health is better. Okay, that sounds good. But finance, is he going for any business or job?
No, finance is regarding the business side.
Saturn Dasha is ending by 2023. Saturn Dasha is ending by 2023. All Dasha next will be on the Mercury Dasha. After Saturn, Mercury starts and 17 years. Let me look at Mercury, how is the health part from Saturn. So from Saturn after 23, his finances will be lower because the 10th house will go away and it will make way to the normal houses of 9th house and 9th house, which is very good for the health sector. He'll be having little bit of health issue because 1, 4, 10, 12 is not at all good for health. But the 9th house hit theory says that there will be always a saving grace. He will be suffering from health, but there will be a timely medication, timely intervention of doctor, timely intervention of operation, which will save him. So this is the time from 2023, another 1.5 year, this Dasha closes, which was for 19 years. Next 17 years, the new Dasha opens up and he has to take care more on the health segment, more on his body care and not about the finance. Finance, he will not be earning much, but whatever earnings has been done, that has to be safeguarded. That is the first point. So have good life. He has to wear a 3-face Rudrakshi, donate curd every Friday occasionally, and chant the mantra which is for good luck, which is from Om Hrim Dum Durgaya Namaha. And I would suggest to join the class. You will understand much better. It's a easy subject. Both of you can join. Namaste.
Yes.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, Guruji. My name is Abhay.
Yeah, tell me.
My date of birth is 3/7/2005.
Okay.
Time 6:35 a.m.
Place of birth.
Date of birth is
Place of birth.
Place is Holenarshipura.
Okay.
So Guruji, basically my 10th is completed.
Okay.
I wanted to do MBBS. So can you please suggest me that if I can complete it, and if there is some abroad chances, like I can go out for work like that, anything.
Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. But also make a mind that to learn this subject. Okay, this subject will give you a lot of confidence, lot of insight. So currently till 2022, you will be completing your first PUC. 23, I have to check at 23. So Mars will get over by 23. Rahu will start. I have to look at Rahu. By 23, Rahu will give 6, 10, 11, 6, 10, 11. Okay, the hit theory of Rahu is 1 and 10. This shows more of management side rather than medical. Management, software and abroad, it is very strong, but still you can give a try to medicine, because the combination here is 10-10, which also gives name and fame. There is not much 12 and 8 in the hit theory which we focus across. Medical is a second option which I suggest. Engineering and management and abroad is the first option. It's quite good. So kindly wear one golden hessonite to your right hand middle finger, which will last till 2041, and one 2-face Rudrakshi. Okay. Good luck. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste.
Hello,
Good evening.
Namaste. Good evening, sir. I'm calling from Chennai.
Yeah.
Can I say the date of birth?
Yeah.
27
27.
Sorry, it's 28 morning. 28/4,
Okay.
1997.
Okay.
Morning 3:30 a.m.
Morning 3:30 a.m.
Bangalore.
Mangalore. M-A-N-G.
Bangalore. B for banana.
Okay.
So I want to know about my job, and I am planning for changing my career.
Mhm.
So right now I am planning for IT field, but
Chandra Dasha is there.
What is
Rahu Bhukti is coming across. So after July, 13 July, almost some 5-6 days, Jupiter is entering. Jupiter is showing 5 combination 5-9. You can definitely change. This month only there is a change. Nothing to worry. You will change the line, and the Moon and Rahu is coming. Rahu gives you IT field. Then Moon is also giving lot of money, 2, 6, 10. Not to worry. Then also Mars is also in a good position to give you more this one. Then in I think 2036 onwards you will excel still better in life. Okay, 16 years. Not to worry. That is the time, because you are young, 24 years. Not to worry. By 40 you will be in a very good position. Changing the field is quite it's showing eminent. Okay, not to worry. Then kindly wear one basra pal to your right hand ring finger. Along with it, I would suggest you to wear 3-face Rudrakshi. Okay. Also try to learn this subject, and you will understand better how to grow in that level, whatever field you have chosen. Good luck. Namaste.
Sir, I am Krishna Prasad.
Tell me.
Sir, my date of birth is 3rd February 1974.
1970.
4.
Okay. Time of birth.
Time of birth is 4:25 p.m.
4:25 p.m. Place of birth.
Bangalore, sir.
Kindly can you reduce the TV volume, sir?
Yeah, sir. I've
It's
done it.
echoing here back.
Yeah, I've done it, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I want to know, nowadays I'm feeling more spiritual, feeling like learning Vedas. I want to
Very
know
good.
whether-
5th house, 10th house gives us spiritual. Ketu, Shani, Jupiter gives us spiritual. Let me see. Currently Shani, which has just started from 2010. Under that 2023 Moon has come. Under Antarbhukti, let me see, 2021 October Moon has started. So let me see the combination. Saturn 9, 10 combination and 5. Let us see how many 5s are there. 5, 10 in Mars, 5, 10 in Ketu, 5, 10 in Rahu. So couple of planets are showing 5, 10, but completely you can't go into spiritualism. Okay,
Okay.
you can have an inclination.
Okay, sir.
Saturn is the planet which gives us the inclination for getting into spiritualism, meditation, deep meditation. So because Saturn is sitting in the 12th house, always like to be meditated, 12th house. Okay,
Okay.
so you can go into meditation. What type of spiritualism you are looking at?
Feel like learning Vedas and more of astrology nowadays.
Mhm.
This inclination is coming. Basically,
Okay,
I just want to know.
so you will become my student.
Hope so.
Okay, hope so. Great.
I
So
just got
you know,
it.
have you learned something about astrology or Vedas?
I keep reading a little bit of books and keep learning some suktas and all.
Oh, okay. Understand the essence of it.
Okay, sir.
Vedas, people chant it. Okay. Understanding is a very difficult task. Understanding the Vedas, Chaturvedas, is quite a difficult task, and it shows us the way of life. What is Vedas? Vedas is nothing but how we have to live in this planet Earth. That's it. It's just like a guide. The 4 books are 4 guides. So what we have to do on this planet Earth, how much we can expect, how much we can not expect, that is what is about Vedas, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. Astrology is just a way of life of each individual, what he has brought, and how much he can go up or how much he can go down. In each situation, how to behave. That is astrology. You can definitely do Saturn, which is in the 12th house, meditation, Vedas, astrology, everything is fine. Good luck. You will definitely do. Namaste. Namaste, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam. Able to hear you.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Tell me.
I'm calling from Hyderabad.
Very good.
My son, I want to ask about my son. His date of birth is 1st February 1994.
You're not clear. Your voice is not clear. Tell me once again.
I want to talk about my son.
Yeah, that I have
Date
heard,
of
madam.
birth is-
Please tell the date of birth, time of birth, place of birth clearly.
Yeah. His date of birth is 1st February 1994, 2:10 a.m. Secunderabad.
So is January 31st night and 1st February, correct?
1st February. Yeah.
So after 12 a.m. it goes to the 1st February, correct?
Yes, sir.
Secunderabad,
Secunderabad.
Telangana it's showing. Okay, done. So is 1994. So
Yes, sir.
he is in job now or still
నేను
studying?
మాట్లాడుతున్న వ్యక్తి
Hello? You gone to hold. Ayyo. What area I have to talk? I don't know. There are areas like education. Is there any further studies? I don't know. Is it job? I don't know. Is it business? I don't know. Is it his marriage? He is already 27. Is it childbirth? He is married. Property? Health? Which segment to talk about? Request to come and join the class. It's fantastic class. Ask him to join. Youngsters, if you join, it will be very good. I can just give them one suggestion. If it is Jupiter 2, 5, 12, Rahu, I think the combination is very good. He will be in a good position. Okay. Let me take the next caller. Namaste. Okay. I'll take a small break. Afterwards, we'll come back. Okay, welcome back. As I was already telling you, August 1st we have the first classes which will be conducted in English, and it will be a Zoom class, and you can learn from your home or your office, wherever you are, in a very comfortable place. Okay. Namaste. Namaste.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah, tell me.
Good evening, Guruji. Sir, I'm calling from Davangere.
Okay, great.
Sir, my date of birth is 7th April 1990.
7th April 1990. Samayam.
Yeah. At 12:22 p.m.
Afternoon. Place.
Chitradurga.
Question. Only one.
Sir, about job. I'm looking for a job change in
Okay.
my current company itself with also a different payroll. So will that I get it or maybe good job? How is the good job career?
Okay. Let me look at the Antarbhukti, which is the planet to change the job. Rahu is running by till 2021 September. Jupiter is there. Jupiter doesn't have the combination of 5-9. Saturn there is showing 9. 5-9 is not there. 5-9 combination. 5-8-12. Ketu is giving a change. Separative planet. Post September to February, you can expect a change, including designation. September to February, there is a clear change because 9th house is showing, and Saturn is a separative planet, and it helps to change the condition, and it is little bit, it will give you upliftment in your career. Just September to February. So to better up your life, I would suggest you to wear star ruby always, star ruby or Burmese ruby, and wear 7-face Rudraksh. September you can expect a good change. September to February. Okay, good luck. Next. Namaste.
Hello, sir.
Speak out, sir.
Good evening. My name is B.R. Anand.
Okay. Ready.
Date of birth is 11/7/1970.
Okay.
Place of birth is Bangalore and time is 6:15 a.m.
Okay. Question. Question.
Hello.
Question,
My question
question.
is, there is a lot of problem in the family between brothers, and we have been fighting in the court for our properties for more than 10-15 years now. So when is the solution for this? I'm really upset, and I have a lot of health issues. So if you could tell me what is the...
Property, whatever is there, let me look at the litigation part. The entire dasha, negotiation possibility is medium, winning combination is not there in Saturn because of 12th house. 12th house is the house of loss. So there is a very mild chance of negotiation. Let me look at the bhukti, is there, condition is there, negotiation possibility is also low. There is no much winning combination available where there is tel. So there is only antar bhukti which is only showing 10. Let me look at the hit theory and look at the conditions 10. So you have to just chant this Saturn mantra, sir. For Saturn mantra, kindly chant this mantra Om Shri Shaneshcharaya Swaha and donate wheat. Donate wheat. This is only a trial I am telling, because there is no combination which is saying that there is a clear winning. It is always showing negative side, more of 12-12-12 combination. Hit combination is 12. There is no 11 available here. So I don't see that this will get over so soon, sir. Best is to chant Bagalamukhi mantra also along with this, which you can Google it and it will be available in the internet. Chant at least for 27 times, but it's not showing in the near future the change. Good luck anyway. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, tell me fast.
I'm calling from Chennai.
Tell me, sir.
Want to ask question to Guruji.
Yeah, I'm Guruji only talking, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, this is for my nephew. I'm calling from Chennai.
Yeah, tell me this date of birth.
19th August 1998,
Okay.
6:52 a.m.
Place of birth.
Chennai.
Question.
Question is, want to know about his career because he studied BCom directly for job. Want to know how he can improve his career, what further course he can study.
Okay. Currently, he is running Saturn Dasha, which will get over in next 5 years. Then Mercury comes across. Saturn is showing 868. Finance it is showing. Let us see at Mercury, which is showing 12 and 11, 211, 211. He can do MBA, sir. Finance.
MBA Finance.
Yes. Yes. Please ask him to get into MBA Finance, and he can get into multinational company where there is a 12 hit in Mercury. He can get into banking segment in the private sector predominantly. He'll do very well in the private sector, especially foreign banking. Definitely he'll do very well. He can also get into foreign exchange, which will help him a lot. You can guide him to get into foreign exchange, and for better prospect, he has to wear one two-face Rudrakshi, and he can wear one coral. So it will be very good for him. Good luck. Namaste.
Guruji.
Namaste.
I wanted to ask about my mother's health.
Yeah, I'll go for a Prashna Shastra.
Okay.
1 to
if I
249.
go with the date of birth?
It will not actually show clearly because okay, I'll try. Your choice.
Okay.
Because health and all will be at your age, it will be a very long process. Planet will not be perfectly showing in two categories, especially the health and the litigation part. Both have its own limitations. We have to go for Prashna Shastra and it will show to what extent it is right or wrong. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I have taken the date of birth. You please tell me the date of birth. Date of birth. Hello. Okay, I think call is lost. So as I was suggesting, if you learn this course, definitely you can put anybody's horoscope and check how is the health, how is the business, what course to take. Wonderful. A small investment. I would suggest all the people who are watching, a small investment you make, there is a big impact in your life. Everything. And the app which I am showing on the screen, which is coming on your TV screen, is my own developed app, where even the prediction also will be written there. In each and every column there is a prediction written. It's a very easy combination and easy to understand and easy to predict. Little bit of practice will give them a correct direction, correct knowledge how to look at life. Okay, namaste.
Namaste,
Good evening.
Guruji.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Guruji. My nephew's health, regarding his health.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, his date of birth is 4th September.
4th.
September.
Okay.
2013.
Time.
9:16 a.m.
Place of birth.
Bangalore, sir.
Okay, his ascendant is Libra, moon sign is Leo, nakshatra is Maga nakshatra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Currently he has just completed Ketu and 2019 May. Now he is currently with Venus and Venus Bhukti. From
Yes,
Ketu, which was having 12 combination, there is health issue, and Venus is continuing with 12 placement, and 10 is also not great. 2, 8,
Actually,
12.
he had this thing fits last year,
Okay.
and he is on medications which is for next 5 years.
Yeah, okay. But I would suggest here 2, 8, 12 will damage his mind. He will become dull due to the medication. I would suggest for him, because Venus is running, what we call this Nati Vaidyam is very good. Okay, if you call our numbers given below, my team will give you a good doctor. Okay, a Nati Vaidyam. So better to go for the plantation medication. Okay, because here 7, 2, 8, 12 is also showing. This combination also will affect his eyes, and his speech also will be affected. So these are the two areas which is quite negative. Let me look at the positive side and what remedies I can suggest. Let me see. Ask him to wear one to the wrist yellow color thread. Best is to wear 12 face Rudraksh lifelong. It will reduce the intensity, and I would request to donate curds every Friday for a longer period. Okay. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I would like to know about my son's education thing.
Yeah, date of birth, time of birth, place of birth.
Okay, date of birth 28th April 1996.
Time?
Time 8:49 p.m.
Place of birth?
Davangere.
Question?
About his education, there is a drawback in education, so now we want to change his course.
Okay, let me see. Third house, 8th house, 12th house will have some little bit of setback, not to worry. Let me look at the moon dasha which is running now, and till 21 August Rahu is coming. Moon 5th house, Rahu 9th house. He can continue, he can change and continue. There was little bit of lethargy which was cropping up because of the 5th house. So now the things have changed. He'll move across, not to worry at all. Okay. Next Jupiter is going to come, and definitely he can have a good change. Nothing to worry at all. There is a good combination which is coming across in terms of education. The 5th house, it'll show little bit of setback sometimes based on the lethargy part. But to gain well, let him wear one 7-face Rudraksh, and to the middle finger let him wear one golden hesonite, and chant this mantra Om Shri Shanishcharaya Swaha. The more education part, he'll improve better. Nothing to worry. He will do well. Namaste.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
ಸರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಗುರುಜಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮಿತ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ, ಕಟ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ. Calls today are jammed. What to do? Hello, namaste. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Today a lot of calls are jamming.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, it is about my son's marriage.
Marriage, okay. You are giving an invitation or what?
9/11/89.
About my son's marriage, I am giving invitation. Okay,
9/11/89.
Okay, time?
5:45 a.m. Dharwad.
So what you want to check in the marriage part? When is the marriage or what is it?
About marriage.
What about marriage?
When
Marriage is a good thing in life. Should I tell some story or what is the precise question? He is 31. When is his marriage?
ಮದುವೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ.
When is his marriage? That's it, right? Okay, Mercury 2023. Let me see at Mercury 10th house. Mercury has just started 9th house. Previous to that, Ketu is having 1, 5, 10. After Ketu, Mercury, Saturn was running with 5, 10 combination. His combination is quite weak. He will not be able to decide at all. His 5-9 was having a problem on decision making. Now somehow little bit is agreeing, but I don't foresee a immediate marriage. He has to change his mindset. Mindset has to be changed. So probably by Venus, this is also not right. Then let me go to Ketu 2000 and Venus. 2022 September to October is a very small time, because none of the planets are very strong, because on the Dasha and Bhukti side it is showing very weak. So always I suggest him to wear one zircon, because 22 September to October is a very high chances, but that also will go away because Dasha is very weak. There is a lot of 5-10 combination across in Venus, across in Ketu, even in Saturn we find that. So and even in Moon we are finding that. So almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planets are showing 5-10. 5-10 is very difficult. He will be selective or he will be very choosy, and he will not accept anything. This is the irony here in this horoscope. But there is a small chances, some very what I can call in a short period, strong chance, July to October. We have to wait for the time. Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually I am like to ask about my father business and his development.
Shall I go for Prashna Shastra?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what shall I take a Prashna Shastra or horoscope?
Actually, I am not clear with that. My concern is about, I want to ask is about the future.
Business future, right?
Yeah, sir, about the business.
What is your age?
My age is 24. Actually, I am like to ask for my father.
Okay. So he doesn't want to ask, or he is next to you?
No, he is not next to me. I mean,
tell me one number from 1 to 249. Okay, done.
Okay, 10.
10. So what you are actually looking at the business here? Is it a new business or what? How is it running? Will it run for long, or what is that? Is that the question?
Sir, he is running a tailoring business.
Moon, Jupiter. Moon 2, 4, 2, 4, 9, 11, 12. Moon is having 2, 12. Fantastic. From Moon, the Bhukti, current Bhukti, let me see the Jupiter. Jupiter is having 9, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Jupiter is showing 2, 2. Then afterwards Saturn will come. There is no much problem at all as of now. Okay, he can continue doing that. Some occasional obstacle, I would suggest him you can inform him to donate banana to poor people every Thursday for next 3 months, and he can continuously, since Moon is running across, he can chant this mantra Om Som Somaya Namaha regularly. Good combination is coming, nothing to worry. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes,
The
sir.
date of birth is October 29th,
Okay.
1954. Time is 3:15 a.m. Place of birth, Sri Lanka, Jaffna.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
एक second. Sri Lanka. I don't know why Sri Lanka is not coming. Sri Lanka is come. Okay, Sri Lanka. What is the place? Jakarta.
Jaffna.
Jaffna. Okay, Jaffna. Jaffna.
FFN.
Northern province do Nord province. Hospital Road. Okay, Northern province I have taken. Jaffna. Okay, what is the question?
We have some finance problem. I just want to know when we will get relief from that.
So sun has just got over dasha, which we call. Next moon dasha is going to start.
When?
It has already started.
Okay.
So moon is under the combination of Saturn, and sun was under the combination of Rahu, which gave a lot of money. Then there was some breakup, and again 12th house is there. Okay, fine, nothing to worry. Under the moon dasha, when it will get cleared by Mars, let me see at Mars, 5, 8, 12, no, 5, 11, 12, Rahu is getting clear, Mars is bad, 3, 5. Okay, Rahu will get clear, and Jupiter clearing. Okay, by 2023 to 25, most of your problems will come down. So I would just suggest you to donate this tur dal to poor people. Then chant this mantra Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha regularly, and I would suggest to wear blue sapphire to the middle finger. There is no much issue, nothing to worry. Okay, good luck. 23-25, most of the things will get clear. Namaste.
Namaste, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Hope you are doing good.
Yeah, excellent. How are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good, too. Thank you. So I wanted to ask about my marriage, sir. My date of birth is 14 June 1991, 3:20 a.m. Birthplace is Bangalore.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, currently you are running Saturn Dasha. Until 2021, Moon is there. Saturn is showing 9 and 11, Moon is showing 3 and 9. Let me look at Mars, which is 2, and 2 and 9 Rahu. So Mars Dasha, which will come after 2020 by 22. Okay, Mars is little bit okay, but Rahu is still better, because Rahu is showing a hit theory of 2-2. Mars is also showing a hit theory of 2-2. Post this 2021 September, by within 2022 June 222, your marriage will get over, madam. Nothing to worry. Post this September only it starts. 2021 September onwards, this will get over. Okay. Then I would suggest you to wear one ruby and one 4-face Rudraksh. For any marriage delay, I would suggest you to donate gingerly oil to poor people. So your marriage, this one is very highly possible post September only. Within June, marriage will get over. Let me take the last call. Namaste. 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 Hello, good evening. Today a lot of calls. Let me close this because I'm not able to take that call. So as I was telling you a couple of things, our ancient Rishis has given a wonderful subject, how to plan our life, what is in store in our life, why is it delayed, when is the right time for job or business or finance, what has happened at the current situation, will it get over, in what level, all these things. A wonderful subject, a divine subject, where I have taught to more than around 12,000 students, and this is the first time I am venturing outside the Karnataka boundary and wanted to teach to the other states outside Karnataka that this subject is quite a easy subject to understand, quite easy to apply, and it also helps us to look forward for a great life. So August 1st we have the classes, so I would suggest to register for it, and it will definitely help you in knowing the timeline, definitely help you in knowing the remedies, and definitely help you to keep your life peaceful. So those who are all called, make up your mind, let us all meet up in our class. Still better understanding of your individual life will be known. So make a plan, join for the class. It will be really great to learn this divine subject. So time's up. So good night to all. Take care of yourself. Let me meet you in the evening tomorrow. Bye. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.